Welcome back. The top 5 foods that naturally stimulate and promote collagen production in the body in order to maintain skin freshness and bone health. Number 1. Berries and strawberries. This is because they are a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis in the body. Berries and strawberries contain powerful antioxidants that prevent collagen breakdown in the body. Everyone, especially those over the age of 40, needs to regularly eat berries and strawberries that stimulate collagen production in the face and body, so you will look 10 years younger than your age by protecting skin, hair and nails and tightening the skin, especially facial skin. Therefore, berries and strawberries will help stimulate collagen production and promote collagen production in order to get young skin, long nails and iron bones. Number 2. Organic meat. Like the liver, kidneys, and hearts. This is because it is a rich source of active vitamin A, called retinol. It is an essential vitamin for the process of manufacturing collagen in the body, unlike vitamin A found in plant sources where it is not active. It is certain that after eating organ meat regularly and putting it in your diet, you will enjoy healthy hair and skin. Organ meat also helps fight aging by maintaining skin integrity. It is also certain that organ meat is a recipe for boosting collagen, which after you make sure to eat it on a daily basis will look much younger because it is one of the best foods that produce collagen. Number 3. Eat garlic. Garlic promotes collagen synthesis in the body. It is rich in sulfur and some natural acids that treat skin damage and promote collagen production in the skin. Garlic also prevents you from resorting to anti-aging creams and expensive cosmetic treatments after some wrinkles appear on the face. Garlic promotes collagen production, which is responsible for skin elasticity and protection from premature aging. Garlic activates the mechanism of collagen production in the body, which begins to gradually decline in the body after the age of 25. You should eat garlic to enhance collagen stores in your body. Number 4. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds contain very essential vitamins and minerals that promote collagen production in the body such as zinc, vitamin E and copper. These vitamins and minerals help convert amino acids into collagen, but make sure not to eat more than 50 grams of sunflower seeds per day because they contain heavy minerals that cause health problems for the liver and kidneys. Number 5. Sweet pepper. Adding sweet pepper to your food helps in the formation of collagen in the body. Sweet pepper contains vitamin C, which is essential for the formation of collagen in the body. It is also rich in fibers necessary to maintain the health of the digestive system, which increases the ability of the intestines to better absorb amino acids. Therefore, sweet pepper is a great alternative to collagen supplements, enhances skin freshness and maintains its youth. It also increases collagen in the body naturally, prevents sagging skin and strengthens joints. We welcome all new subscribers.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.